hotter, hotter, hotter. What them a go do ya now? New link on the attack now. Hotter. Bring a old chain setter. New link. Hotter.
Bless up for the self viewers and subscribers. Big up for the self, man. I don't know what's the attacking boss there and a new link from New Link Production. Is it? Yeah, man. Alright, now people hear the voice, you know, and say, oh, I smile while I did that vlog of people. No joke thing, man. You know, because after watching all of this something about Spice, reader, man. This every minute, me say, reader, man. I definitely have to laugh for the people. No joke thing, man. I don't know the attacking boss got to work. So viewers and subscribers, and why I said I have to really laugh now about this reader man situation is, so I'm saying, this man who says he's a Obia man, he's a reader man, he's a spiritualist and everything, people. See, I tell me, say, after all of these people, a reader man, I read up about. So him could read up about himself and say, Spice, I go shake him. So, yo, basically, this reader man is a failure then, people. No, seriously, on a serious note, if I am reading up everybody, say I'm a real reader man or everything, I have to can read up myself first and I have to can see what's been going to happen in my life. Because if he's a reader man, you know, he can say what come forward. So I tell me, say him can't say what come forward in a theme life, say Spice, I go shake him up. Then now him a go come out and say, yo, him feel hurt. And him feel used, you know what I mean, and Spice and grateful and this. Listen me, I say, man. Reader man, you're not too bad mind. You see me? You're not too corrupt. You don't leave Spice alone, man. Make a girl eat her food. You're not too bad mind. And a joke when I got boast and talk about want to have, leave the woman alone. Leave the woman alone. I'm going to respond to the body want to say. Left Spice alone. You know too much now, man. Me say you try over and over to sink the girl. Why you not turn so? Why the hearts are dirty and corrupt? Yo, why people are turn so, people? The same people that you help in a life, you know. Zine, they never can talk about to say you the good for them, but only thing they can say is, you know, them the good for you. So read them and we cannot talk much money Spice, give us much hotel Spice, put you in how much life Spice make you live. How much food Spice give for name all of these things. But now you want to come talk bad again Spice. No, on a serious level, people. I not pick no Spice side for Spice. Zine? But you don't know me not afraid and me not response when they come on to talking against people. Zine? But Spice reader man is definitely somebody who is really seeking attention, people. You know, I try get some boss, but him not get none because reader man only talent you have, you know, is to put on something over your head and go come to boom and say shalalala. You get me? I say you're not no talent. If you say you're no artist, you're not no talent. If you say you're not, you get me? I say reader man. So you need to fix up yourself, reader man. Zine, no joke thing about it. There's no talent behind this for the music, brother. And you think say everybody weren't born to be an artist. And if a Spice you want to get the hype there, you get me? I say you're not gonna get it, brother, because that you look. You're definitely trying to seek attention. What are the house Spice by over USA the other day I bun in the eye? Are the brand she come out with her clothes and a tear down the place, a tear down the market? What hurting us about this female? Una man make woman live. Zine? Make woman live, make the girls stride, man. And a joke thing, people. Some man need for bill. Some man come like them and wear panty. Zine? Someone need for J's out in the mouth, man. You go come and rebel about this and about that. And about Spice get jacket. So why now? People, I'm telling you, all people is wicked and corrupt. Basically, this man is trying to tear down the woman career, but it not go happen, people. It not go happen. The 3.8 million followers on Instagram of Spice have it a bunny, man. You just notice, say, all you know, I try the love what she having at the entertainment business and you can't stop her. Whatever plan you want come, people, listen me. Whatever they want, Spice used to work or hobby or do this. Me no business with that. Zine, because there hundreds of entertainers in Jamaica do it. 100 of them do it. You know, hear the song come out and I say, guard up. Guard up. If you see a joke, them make when them tell about guard up people and sacrifice and all of this. You feel say another joke thing. Are the new trend right now. Guard up. I hit the trend where a lot of people are follow, a lot of entertainers are follow. Zine, but this Reader Man people is definitely something that hurt him. Me just feel a spice in the well. Yo, are the rastrated attacking boss. Reader Man are the rast bunny. So all along maybe you that try if you say you would have get spice now. But Reader Man, you have your wife, man. And in the NS, it rast hurt, you know, when you say spice. Listen me, I say spice. Live your life and leave these haters alone, spice, because they can't stop you. Live your life, spice, and enjoy your life to the fullest and continue to gain your success. See? People, spice look goody, man. Spice look nice. See the queen of dancehall rocking. It hurt them and it bun them, man. Some man need to build. Leave the female, make the female rise, man. Make the woman come and enjoy her success, people. She put in the work. Zine, where Spice do a lot of them now do it. You get me? A lot of them now do it. Then come and them do song, people, and them do this and do that. Wish me not hear no talent back at it. Them feel so then that comes boom and put out songs, spend money on video, spend money on promotion, and get boss like that. Get some local interview on stage and this and that. You feel so them they are nothing, man. But no Reader Man this. Only talent you have is whatever your fake Reader Manship. Because if you is a real Reader Man, you should have seen a Spice go shake you up. You should have seen all of the downfall. You should have read up and say your song where you are the way you claim a go be big hit song and tear down Billboard. You should have read up and say nah go nowhere. If you know this and that, why you can't use whatever you have? You claim so you do this for Spice with Obi and this. So why you can't do it for yourself? Listen what me ask the people. No make nobody come boast up and tell you how them a drive this, how them a drive that. Because back then, couple years ago, I used to do the other sit back in a corner and just watching people drive the hot ride them people. You know what I mean? Now pre my way forward and things I look at one day me could have do it because I just look down by myself. And when me comes to boom and decide to make a step, people, I'm seeing how it's easy to drive anything we want to drive. You get me? I say we don't have to go the wrong way like what some people are do. Me I talk the real straight way by your working, you know what I mean, and build up yourself. It's easy. But some people, they fail to understand these things. You get what me I say? So when this man go come forward now and talk about Reader Man this, Reader Man that, people, he's totally, you get me I say, if he's a Reader Man, he should have can read up himself, but deep inside he can't read up himself. And there's a big problem there. You get me? So all I'm saying, man, Reader Man is a liar. Them a try to bring down the woman. Them a try to tear, but them can't do or nothing, people. Spice is like a rock. Where did they one of the toughest rock we can't break? You know them rock they were built real out a dinosaur with them say people. You can't break. You could have used jackhammer. You could have used backhoe. You can't get it out. It's seal, it plant. You get me? Spice, live your life. You and the Rasta go and live it and enjoy it. J-Buds and Spice go and live in your life. And you look at quids them and go and big up your brand Gracie Noir. Yeah, and the brand around the place now, people Gracie Noir. Yeah, the house over foreign a burn them. The real estate them what she a deal with a burn them. The success a burn them. The money a come in, it a hurt them. You know what I mean? The life of Spice a live, people, the vacations on our birthday, the trip to Dubai, the trip to Mexico, everything a hot their head. And them should have did this in the limelight because of what? So on the feast the woman fi have a hitch up round her and a dig out her and a nyam out her. Spice run them, make them go. You get me and say, no joke thing about it. People me don't talk, I mean I nothing more for say. Big up on yourself, enough love, enough respect. And remember to do subscribe. Because if you're not subscribe yet, where Popcorn say, trouble, we need no trouble.